Since the dawn of time, humans have gazed up at the birds soaring effortlessly above and yearned to experience the freedom of flight. For centuries, inventors and dreamers tinkered with various contraptions, attempting to emulate the birds. Their tireless efforts paved the way for the Wright brothers, who turned this age-old dream into a reality. On a blustery December day in 1903, on the windswept dunes of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, history was made. Wilbur and Orville Wright, two bicycle mechanics from Ohio, achieved sustained, controlled, powered flight. Their aircraft, the Wright Flyer, took to the air for 12 seconds, covering 120 feet, but those moments changed the world forever. Their success was the culmination of years of research, experimentation, and determination. Their greatest innovation was the three-axis control system, allowing effective steering. The Wright brothers' achievement marked the beginning of the age of aviation. Following the Wright brothers' pioneering flight, aviation advanced rapidly. The first passenger flights were short hops, giving passengers a taste of this new mode of transportation. In 1914, the first scheduled passenger airline service launched in Florida. World War I accelerated aircraft technology development. After the war, surplus military aircraft were adapted for civilian use, paving the way for commercial aviation. The mid-20th century witnessed another groundbreaking innovation that would revolutionize aviation: the jet engine. Developed independently in Britain and Germany during World War II, jet engines offered significantly greater power and efficiency compared to traditional piston engines. This breakthrough opened up new possibilities for speed and altitude, ushering in the jet age. In 1949, the de Havilland Comet, the world's first commercial jet airliner, took to the skies, marking a new era of high-speed air travel. The Comet, with its sleek design and ability to cruise at altitudes above the weather, captured the public imagination, symbolizing the future of aviation. However, the early days of jet travel were not without their challenges. The Comet in particular suffered a series of high-profile accidents that revealed the challenges of designing and operating aircraft at such high speeds and altitudes. These setbacks led to significant improvements in aircraft design, materials science, and air traffic control systems, making air travel safer and more reliable. Section 5, a giant leap aviation in the space age. The dawn of the space age pushed aviation beyond Earth's atmosphere. On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, marking the space race's start. This ignited fierce competition, driving rapid advancements in space exploration. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin orbited Earth aboard Vostok 1. Less than a month later, Alan Shepard became the first American in space. The pinnacle came on July 20, 1969, with the moon landing. This historic achievement marked a pivotal moment in human history. Section 6, the evolution of passenger aircraft. As air travel became increasingly popular, airlines demanded larger, more efficient and passenger-friendly aircraft. The introduction of wide-body jets, such as the Boeing 747, in the late 1960s revolutionized air travel, making it possible to transport hundreds of passengers across vast distances at significantly lower costs. The Boeing 747, with its distinctive hump and massive size, became an icon of the jet age, symbolizing the romance and excitement of air travel. Its arrival marked the beginning of mass air travel, making international travel accessible to a wider segment of the population. Over the following decades, aircraft manufacturers continued to refine their designs, focusing on fuel efficiency, passenger comfort, and environmental performance. The Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, took to the skies in 2005, further increasing passenger capacity and pushing the boundaries of commercial aviation. Section 7, the versatility of helicopters. While fixed-wing aircraft dominated the skies, helicopters, with their unique ability to take off and land vertically, carved out a niche for themselves in various sectors. Initially developed for military purposes, helicopters proved to be incredibly versatile, finding applications in transportation, rescue operations, construction, and more. Helicopters played a crucial role in various conflicts, including the Vietnam War, where they were used extensively for troop transport, medical evacuations, and close air support. Their ability to operate in challenging terrain and confined spaces made them invaluable assets in the battlefield. Beyond their military applications, helicopters have become indispensable tools for civilian purposes. They are used extensively in search and rescue operations, air ambulance services, aerial firefighting, law enforcement, and transporting goods and passengers to remote locations. Their maneuverability and versatility make them ideal for a wide range of tasks that would be impossible for fixed-wing aircraft. Section 8. Aviation's impact on warfare. From the moment the Wright flyer took to the skies, military strategists recognized the transformative potential of aviation. The use of aircraft in World War I forever changed the face of warfare, introducing aerial reconnaissance, bombing raids, and dogfights. World War II witnessed a dramatic escalation in the role of air power. The development of more advanced fighter planes, bombers, and ground attack aircraft led to devastating air campaigns that played a decisive role in the outcome of the war. The use of atomic bombs against Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan, in 1945 ushered in the nuclear age and highlighted the devastating consequences of air power. The Cold War saw a continued focus on aviation technology, with both the United States and the Soviet Union developing sophisticated jet fighters, bombers, and reconnaissance aircraft. The development of intercontinental ballistic missiles, or ICBMs, further increased the potential for catastrophic conflict, as these weapons could deliver nuclear payloads across vast distances in a matter of minutes. Section 9. Breaking barriers, supersonic and hypersonic flight. The quest for speed has always been a driving force in aviation. In the decades following World War II, breaking the sound barrier became a major milestone, capturing the imagination of the public and pushing the boundaries of aeronautical engineering. On October 14, 1947, American test pilot Chuck Yeager, flying the experimental Bell X-1 rocket plane, became the first person to break the sound barrier in level flight, achieving a speed of Mach 1.06. This historic achievement paved the way for the development of supersonic military aircraft, including fighter jets and bombers. The development of supersonic passenger aircraft such as the Concorde and the Tupolev Tu-144 brought supersonic travel to the masses, albeit for a short period. These sleek aircraft, capable of cruising at twice the speed of sound, significantly reduced travel times but proved to be commercially unsustainable due to their high operating costs and limited passenger capacity. Section 10. The future of flight, innovation and sustainability. As we look to the future of aviation, innovation and sustainability are at the forefront of the industry's priorities. The demand for more efficient, environmentally friendly, and technologically advanced aircraft is driving research and development in various areas, including electric propulsion, autonomous flight, and advanced materials. Electric aircraft, powered by batteries or hydrogen fuel cells, offer the promise of zero-emission flight, addressing concerns about the environmental impact of aviation. While still in their early stages of development, electric aircraft have the potential to revolutionize short-haul flights and urban air mobility. Autonomous flight, enabled by artificial intelligence and advanced sensors, has the potential to improve safety, efficiency, and accessibility in aviation. While fully autonomous passenger aircraft are still some way off, autonomous technologies are already being implemented in various aspects of aviation, from autopilot systems to air traffic control. Section 11. Conclusion: Aviation's enduring legacy. From the Wright brothers' first tentative flight to the dawn of the space age, aviation has come a long way in a relatively short period. It has connected distant lands, transformed industries, and shrunk our world in ways that were once unimaginable. The impact of aviation on society is profound and far-reaching. It has facilitated global trade, tourism, and cultural exchange, bringing people and cultures closer together. It has also played a vital role in times of crisis, enabling the rapid deployment of aid and humanitarian relief to those in need. As we look to the future, aviation faces both challenges and opportunities. The need to reduce its environmental impact, improve safety, and enhance efficiency will continue to drive innovation and technological advancements. The dream of flight, which has captivated humanity for centuries, continues to inspire us to push the boundaries of what's possible, reaching for new heights and exploring the vast expanse of the skies above.